Hello everyone and welcome back to the ranch. Today we're going to be planting snapdragons in our 2 raised beds. Now snapdragons thrive in full sun to partial shade, but they need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to bloom well. And well-draining soil is crucial. They dislike soggy roots. And you will need to amend your soil with compost to improve their drainage. Now some snapdragons, depending on your climate, are perennial because they drop their seeds. Now we're in zone 8A, so my snapdragons will come back from year to year. To ensure that your snapdragons receive the right amount of moisture, you will need to use a drip irrigation or a soaker hose. They prefer to be watered at the roots instead of by a sprinkler. We're also planting maidenhair grasses right behind our 2 raised beds just to give it some more decorative look. And these require full sun as well. Our cabbage and turnip seeds are coming along great also. Well, thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.